Hello everyone, we are going to see about recipe finder app using Next.js. Inside the index.js, first I am going to import useState from React. Next I am going to import head from next slash head. Next I am going to import styles from styles slash home.module.css. Next I am going to export default function home, and then I'm going to return div. For the div I'm going to give a style class name styles dot container. Inside div I'm going to give a head. Inside it I'm going to give a title of recipe finder. Next I'm going to write a meta aim description content recipe finder app using Next.js. Next I want to use link href icon favicon.ico. After head main class name styles dot main. H1 recipe finder, and for H1 I am going to give a style class name styles dot title, and I am going to give a form inside the form. I am going to give On submit, handle submit. Input of type text. Before that, I am going to create a use state const query, set query equal to use state. It will be an empty string. Const recipes, set recipes equal to use state of empty array. Inside text, I am going to give a value of query and on change handle change and a placeholder search for recipe and a class name of styles dot input, and inside after that I am going to create a button of search and type submit and a class name styles dot button. Next I am going to create another div of class name styles dot recipe recipes dot map recipe recipes dot map recipe, and I want to create another div I am going to give a key recipe dot URI class name styles dot recipe, and inside div I am going to give a h2 recipe dot label, and an image src recipe dot image, and I want to give an alt recipe dot label. Next I want to give a p tag of recipe dot source. Next I want to create a function for handle change. E set query e dot target dot value. Next I am going to create an handle submit function, const handle submit equal to async e dot prevent default, and then catch inside error, and I am going to console log error. Inside the try I am going to use fetch to fetch the data from API, const response equal to await fetch https api dot edamam.com slash search, and the query equal to q equal to query here I am going to use literals and app id equal to your app id and app key equal to your app key. Now I am going to give an app id. App id can be get from Edamam API. Const your app id. My app id is 75593A77. const your app key. You can get the key from Edamam API. If I say this and if I run npm run dev npm run dev, next const data equal to, I'm going to use await response dot json. Next I'm going to set the set recipes data dot h. If I save this, if after running this like this, we will get, if I run this, see we are getting the images like this. This app will work. Thank you.